If you have never made money online before, especially with crypto trading, this is a great time for you to come into the market. With this video, I want to show you some secrets of making money simply by doing trading on spot using Bybit. Let me go practical now. Look at it. This is why I'm making this video, because I have many of you in my DM. Please help me, please train me, mentor me. Now look at it. As you have seen this now, this is BTC USDT trading pair, and this is a great time for you to come into the market and make money. Look at this. This is dropping, guys. The red you are seeing here means people are selling their BTC, and it's dropping, going deep, more and more, guys. Anytime you see this green means people are buying BTC, going up. So anytime you see this red, it's indicating that if you want to invest, it's a great time for you to invest, because it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Well, I'm going to explain this, especially using market depth for you. Using market depth now, you understand what I'm talking about. So that is why you need to give me your full attention, because I'm going to show you everything you need with this. Few days ago, when BTC rate was like 79,000 plus, it was a great depth. When I saw this opportunity, I put a lot of money there. And don't be surprised, when this thing, I was aware when this price rise to this amount, this 88,000 plus. Imagine something I bought when it was like 81,000, 80,000, 78,000, 79,000, and the thing pump up to 80 something thousand, 88,000. If I sell it by then, you can imagine the amount of profit I'm making. But this is things I want to show you how to come into the market, especially now. Look at it. It's going down more and more, guys. It's going down more and more. And as it's going down, it's a signal for you to come into the market, because you can buy it more cheaper. More cheaper. The first thing for you to do should be, in case you are watching this thing and probably the things may have changed. You may not see it the way it is like this. But how will you able to spot coin you can actually buy or invest in? Go to CoinMarketCap. This is CoinMarketCap. Even from the CoinMarketCap, you can see it here. This is trendy coins, and the number one of it is BTC. It's the trendy coin. BTC, look at the amount, followed by Ethereum, followed by XRP. Okay, let's go down a bit. You will see top here. All crypto, you see top. Bitcoin. Oh, now let's go and do some more things. If you come to cryptocurrencies here and click on trendings, you will see everything. Now look at the number one on the list is Bitcoin. Now click on Bitcoin. Then let me click on this trading views. Now look at it. As at now, when I'm making this video, the rate is 83,838 US dollars. Now let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Now look at it. I want to show you about market depth and how to make use of crypto depth analysis to trade and make money. Okay, from here now, we want to talk about this +2 depth and -2 depth. This is part of thing I want to explain when it comes to market depth. First, before I go further on this, for many of you that are very new to this, you don't have account with any exchange, because this you can do it with any exchange. You don't have account with any exchange and you want to open, just go to my pinned comment now. You will see options there. Look at this one on how to create and verify Bybit account. This is the link. Go and watch tutorial video on it. It will show you everything. Then this one, how to buy and sell crypto with Bybit P2P. It will show you how to fund your Bybit account. Convert your local currency to USDT. Then you are get set to make money, trade, invest, or do whatever thing. That is not all. You can go to description to my video. You see a lot of videos that will help you. So back to the point. First, what is meant by market depth? Market depth refers to the liquidity of a cryptocurrency. How much buy and sell order exists at different price levels. It is displayed in the order book, showing the supply and demand at different prices. Now, what is meant by this +2 depth? Because we need this thing to make money. That's why you need to give me your full attention. What is meant by +2 depth? Look at the price of +2 depth. We're using Binance now. These are exchanges: Binance, Bybit, Orbit, OKX, Bitget, Mexi, Get.io, KuCoin, and so on. Now look at the price. +2 depth, look at the price. -2 depth, look at the price. You see that it's not the same price. What actually make it to be like this? How can we use it to make money? The terms +2 and -2 depth in crypto trade are related to market depth and order book analysis. Understanding these concepts can help you to make better trading decisions by predicting price movements. So what is meant by this +2 depth? This one, +2 depth, is a positive depth, of course. It refers to the buy order, which is bids placed 2 levels below the current market price. It shows the strength of the buyers willing to purchase at a slightly lower price. Why this minus debt, which is a negative debt, refers to sell the orders placed 2 levels above the current market price. So it shows the strength of sellers willing to sell at a slightly higher. Now, how does +2 and -2 debt affect coin price? If +2 debt is strong, like this one now in Binance, look at it, 19,000 plus here, but here -2 is 24,000 plus. Which one is strong? -2 is strong, while +2 here is weak. This indicates, anytime you see this +2 debt, indicates that many buyers are waiting to buy coin at a slightly lower price, and it indicates strong demand and potential price increase. So as a result like that, buying at this point might be a good idea if demand keeps growing. I'm talking about if this one is more than the -1, if this plus is more than the negative, which is minus. But in this aspect that the -2 is the one that have increase. If -2 debt is strong, just like this one here now, 24,000 plus to 19,000 plus, -2 debt is strong. This indicates strong supply and potential price drop. I repeat, it indicates strong supply and potential high drop. So with this now, you see that we have a lot of people here that are ready to sell. So if +2 debt is higher than -2 debt, it might be a good time to buy because buyers are stronger. But if -2 debt is higher than +2 debt, just like what is happening here now, it might be a good time to sell because sellers are dominant. I hope you get it now. If you see a lot here, if this one is more than this, then they will favor this because they see that a lot of people are willing to buy. They will favor these people here. But when you see that a lot of people are here in this minus, they will favor people because they know many people want to sell. So the price will go lower, lower and lower. Now, if you check Bybit now, look at it. This is Bybit, BTC USDT. You see 18,000 plus to 11,000 plus. So let me click on this one here now. You can see now. So let's assume that I buy this thing. Look at the rate now. Presently, the rate now is what? 83,950. So if I put money here now, let's say other value now, I put 100 USDT here. If I buy 100 USDT now, see amount of BTC I will able to buy. Just copy. Let me save it somewhere. So it shows that at this rate, when the dollar was 83,950, I bought 100 USDT and I'm able to buy it to get this amount of BTC. Okay, let's now assume that this thing rises back, just like what you are seeing here. See, it has been down and coming up again. If it rise, come up, let's assume that it gets to this place now. Look at it. The value here is what? 88,285. 88,285. Let's say I want to sell. I click on sell here. This is sell, and let's say 88,285. Then I put the quantity of BTC I want to sell here. You can see now. Look at the amount I'm having here now. Look at the value 105. I bought it $100 and I'm selling at the rate of 105. Look at the profit I have there. So that is just for 100 USDT. Let's assume that you now put 1,000 USDT there. See the amounts you are going to make, and you have a lot of opportunity as it's going deep now to buy. It may not be BTC, it can be any coin, but make sure you track it very well using CoinMarketCap. Even from Bybit homepage, you can come down here now. You see this is a hot derivative, even hot gain. Look at it, BTC USDT is there and many more. Just try to do your findings about it before you put your money. Read the market, study the market carefully and put your money. And I will advise you, don't make mistake and see like, oh, this thing is deep and you put all your money. Let's say you have 100 USDT there. Don't pump the whole USDT one. You can pump small. Just be following it. When the rate now is what? 84. It was 83. It has rise to 84, whatever. Let's say it's 84 now. You can put your money there. And if you see that it still go deep more, put another money there. Just small money. You can make it 20 USDT or 30 USDT. Just be following it up at going deep, dip. That is how to invest. Don't put all your money once and sit back. That is investment. Wait for this thing to rise. When it pump, then you can sell off and make your profits. If you have any question based on this, please drop it for me in the comment section. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, give me a like on this video, turn up the notification bell, and I invite you to connect with me on WhatsApp. Just check the pinned comment. You'll see the link to connect with me on WhatsApp and be part of my WhatsApp TV viewer. This video very important. I want you guys to go and watch it. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.